Hi guys, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to see about embedded system. Embedded system is one of the important subject due to its presence or its availability in our day-to-day life as many devices like washing machine, AC, air conditioner, micro oven, vehicle technology, lift control, like many applications or many devices we are dealing with in our day-to-day life. So that we should learn or we should aware about what is embedded system. Okay. So before getting into embedded system, everyone should know about what is system. System is a way of working, organizing, or doing one or many tasks according to a fixed plan, program, or set of rules. A system is also an arrangement in which all its units assemble and work together according to the plan or program. It means like a system is a combination of units or a range of units as a system together to according to the together work together to the plan or program. Understood? Like uh, it is like a system is combination of multiple hardwares or combination of multiple units, and it will work together as a system. Okay, so it will have a fixed plan or it will have a set of rules to work, okay, to perform a single or multiple task. That is called a system. So system is mainly concentrated on task. There will be a task. That task will work under the set of rules. What is the example of system? Example of system is like time display system. Okay, everyone knows about watch, right? It is like a system. What it means, it has many parts like needles, batteries, dials, chassis, like all these units will assemble as a watch, and it will follow the rules of like there will be three needles. Those needles will work based on some rules. For example, all needles must move clockwise only. It should not rotate in anti-clockwise. Like so it should follow. It should follow to rotate only in the clockwise. Then there will be thin needle, long needle, and short needle, right? So each needle will rotate to its corresponding time or corresponding property. Like a thin needle will rotate for every second, long needle will rotate for every minute, short needle will rotate for every hour. Like that, a system will follow a particular rules to work, to follow. Understood? So this is the example of system. Then we'll get into embedded system. What is embedded system? A simple definition or simple information about embedded system is simply a system or embedded system is one that computer hardware with software embedding in it as one of its component. But simply like we can understand like there is a program. That program is embedding into the computer. That computer will perform only particular task. Okay, it can be a particular single task or particular multiple task, but it is dedicated for a task. Okay, that is embedded system. Still, we can get some more definitions. Like we can define an embedded system as a microprocessor based system that does not look like a computer. Computer is comes under general purpose computing. Okay, so embedded system is like dedicated function computing. Like dedication means it is working only for the particular task. The task can be anything. Like for example, it can be a temperature controlled fan, a temperature controlled air cooler, like water tank controller. Like there will be some dedicated task, like to operate a fan or to operate a switch, to operate a motor, anything it can be. So that it is like if you go for like vehicle based concepts, this definition can be applicable for the vehicle based condition. Like for example, we can say it is a combination of computer hardware and a software and perhaps additional mechanical or other parts designed to perform dedicated function. See, what is a dedicated function as a mechanical part? Here they have mentioned anti-lock braking system. Okay, what is that anti-lock braking system? Everyone knows, right? So anti-lock braking system is used to apply the brake in emergency condition, right, in the vehicle. So for that kind of applications, we can use embedded systems. So this is the definition and detail about what is embedded system, right? Then significance or importance of embedded system is like compact in size, low cost, simple design aspect, right? Because it is designed only with a dedicated function, right? So the cost will be very, very low because there is only, for example, in small kind of applications, only minimal number of IC is enough. Minimal number of component is enough. So the size will be very, very low and cost also low and design also very, very low. See, we no need for big ICs or we no need for computers and all. It will work based on the ICs and programs. So there will be some program which will be dumped into the controller. That control respond to the program. Okay. So based on the input output. That's why due to their compact size, low cost, and simple design, it is very, very popular and easily embroached into human lives, right? That's why nowadays every peoples are using washing machines, cameras, televisions, because it is like compact in size, very very lower cost, so anyone can buy it and easily they can accommodate it. Okay, that's the importance and significance of embedded systems. What are the advantages? Simply advantages are like low cost, small in size, high reliability, as low cost is like very very less in price, and as we discussed earlier in importance, it is small in size, we know that. What is high reliability? Yeah, high reliability is like it can be easily changeable or it can be easily convertible. Okay, anyone can use it, right? And then fast operation. What is fast operation? Like it will we can execute it quickly because it is only for this particular task, right? So it will work quickly, it will execute, and it gives you the output quickly, right? So based on the speed, so we can increase the speed based on our requirement. A lot of options are there to increase our operations. Okay, and easy to manufacture and fewer interconnections only, right? Easy to manufacture is like it's a ready-made template based ICs are there. We can easily manufacture it and fewer interconnections. What the connections are circuits are very very easy. We can interconnect easily based on the input and output. Now we come to application. What is applications in embedded system? There are a lot of applications are there. As we've seen in the introduction itself, the lot of applications are there in multiple domains like medical system, office equipment, tools, banking, transportation. So in each and every domain, we have multiple devices. Like, see, if you take medical systems, there are multiple devices like pacemaker, patient monitoring, injection systems, and intensive care units. Like everyone knows already, what is pacemaker? Pacemaker is used to monitor the heart rate of a human being, right? Like that. We have many devices. If you go for office, there will be compulsory they will be having printers, right? So printer is one of the most important most example in embedded system. Okay, it will do only particular task of printing, that's it. When you give the data to the printer, it will start the printing. That is a single task, that is the operation or scheduled task in embedded system, right? Like tools, multimeters, oscilloscope. In banking also we have many devices like ATM, statement, printers, transportation. See, nowadays all the vehicles is having automation, right? Automotive concepts. Those are all comes under embedded systems, right? Like that automobile, building systems, agriculture, space. So all these domains working with any embedded devices. Okay. So finally, we are seeing about classification of embedded system. What is classification? Yeah, simply the embedded system is classified into three types. Okay, one type is like small scale, medium scale, and sophisticated. How it is classified? It is classified based on the application only. Like what is small scale? Small scale is nothing but a small kind of application. Like if you take only temperature monitoring system, so there we no need to go for complex or we don't need to go for big ICs. Like, what does it mean by big ICs? Like, uh, we have multiple variety of ICs in embedded systems, like 4 pin, 8 pin, 28 pin, 40 pin, 44 pin. Like, we have many type of microcontrollers with multiple pin types. Okay, so in that we can take only 4 pin, 8 pin, 28 pin. So these are all comes under small scale embedded system. What is a medium scale embedded system? It is kind of application which is like simply little bit advanced compared to small scale, like 40 pin ICs, which is used to control ABS, because there is mechanical designs also there. So that is like a medium scale embedded system. When you go to sophisticated, it is kind of FPGA based or image processing. It is like digital signal, little bit advanced compared to medium scale again. Okay, so when medium scale is a little bit advanced than small scale, but sophisticated embedded system is still a little bit advanced than medium scale. Little bit advanced is nothing but like doing complex operations like image processing, digital signal processing, designing RF wave communications, interfacing many devices like Bluetooth, RF, many interfacing devices like FPGA boards. These are all comes under sophisticated embedded system. This is the introduction and examples, applications of embedded systems. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Thank you.